Guys, welcome back to my channel, and this video is going to be about skincare in your 40s. Now in your 40s, most of your skincare is going to remain the same, except for you're going to take everything up a notch and you're going to want to give your skin a lot more attention and more intensified treatments. So in your 40s, you're going to notice a lot of fine lines, a lot of wrinkles, a lot of dryness, age spots, and loss of elasticity. So before I really get started about the topical things or the things that you need to put on top of your skin, let's go a little bit into the general wellness and how you can really take care of yourself generally in your 40s. So what you need to do first is obviously you need to eat right and you need to drink a lot of water. Also, you need to exercise, lift some weight to fight that osteoporosis. Obviously, on the advice of your doctor, you may or may not need to take calcium and vitamin D supplements, which are generally supplements that are recommended for this age group. So in your 40s, the three type of doctors that are going to be your best friends are going to be your general physician, your dermatologist, and your OBGYN. So the first step, cleansing, obviously remains the same as that in your 30s. Switch to a gentler, soap-free cleanser that does not dry your skin out. Toning, you can choose to buy alcohol-free toners. You can choose to use cold water and refrigerated rose water, or you can choose to buy an alcohol-free toner. So the moisturizing routine also is pretty much the same as in your 30s. However, in your 40s, you're going to want to start using hyaluronic acid serum or some other really hydrating serum along with a moisturizer during daytime. Whereas at nighttime, you're going to want to start using retinoids, which are prescription strength vitamin A derivatives that will stimulate collagen productions, and you will need a prescription from your dermatologist for these. Also, these you cannot use when you are pregnant or breastfeeding, so just keep these in mind. You're going to want to alternate between the retinoids and the hyaluronic acid serum or some other hydrating serum at nighttime. So for example, if you're using retinoids on Monday, use the hyaluronic or hydrating serum on Tuesday, and then the retinoids on Wednesday again, and then continue it like so. If you are in your 40s and you're looking for great serums, the Serum Tologic C Serum 22 is a great vitamin C serum that also has hyaluronic acid in it. Also, if you're looking for great moisturizers, you have Nivea Soft, which is a really nice hydrating cream. Next, you have eye creams. Like in your 30s, you're going to want to continue using eye creams in your 40s. You're going to want to use hydrating eye creams both underneath your makeup as well as during nighttime. You're going to want to look for products that have vitamin A in them, vitamin E in them, or hyaluronic acid in them, or generally any other product that is associated with soothing your skin.
So
So the next step is going to be masks. You can use any type of masks that you want, something that is hydrating for your skin and that activate your skin are going to be great. You can use these once a week. In your 40s, you're going to want to discuss peels and lasers and other treatment with your dermatologist if you feel like you need that extra help. And this regimen and these products you also want to continue using in your 50s and your 60s and your 70s and your 80s as well. And with time, you're going to want to increase the hydration levels. You're going to want to take care of your diet. You're going to want to take care of your body, of your hormones. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope that these tips give you the best skin of your life. And if you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.